thunderstorm warning for northeastern Washington County in north-central Maryland, northwestern Carroll County in north-central Maryland, northern Frederick County in north-central Maryland, until 8 p.m. At 6:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mercersburg, Oregon, 9 miles northwest of Greencastle, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Hagerstown, Thurmont, Pittsburgh, Robinwood, Tanatown, Walkersville, Fountainhead Orchard Hills, Smithsburg, Paramount Long Meadow, Mount Etna, Long Meadow, Discovery Spring Garden, Wolfsville, Lincoln or Martinsville, Montgansville, Cavetown, Woodsboro, Union Bridge, Libertytown and Leitersburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.